Hello everyone, this is Kaustubh Naik and today is 23rd of December 2022. Here we are again to discuss on the post-market reports. So whatever has happened today in the market, this video commentary is purely based on my point of view and all the content is only for the educational purpose. Alright, so before starting here, we have Nifty December future. Alright, so the previous close over here is 18,170. Open is at 18,055. High is at 18,115. Low is at 17,831. So right now the world is in fear of a recession and because and also the news is also coming up that the coronavirus might start spreading soon. So the market has been continuously falling for approximately 4 days. So anyway, we will come to the chart and see how the market has performed even for the day. All right, so the market has opened gap down below. It was here the closing, and then the market has opened around this level at 18,097. From there the market has went to the below support level, and from there slightly bounced back to 18,115. From there the market started to move to the bottom from the support number 1 to support number 2 by approximately 1148. After being over here, the market went on a little bit sideways range, and after 130 the market has again started its downtrend movement up until the day's lowest, which was at 17,820. And then the bank nifty December future has closed at 17,850. Now let us see how the market might perform on Monday, okay, and then we'll get to know. All right, cool. Now let us move to the bank nifty December future. Okay, so the previous close over here is 42,471. Open is at 42,100. High is at 42,330. Then low is at 41,657. All right, now let us come back on the chart again of bank nifty December future and see how the market has been performing over here. Okay, so the market had closed around this point. From there the market opened gap down to 41,154. From that it bounced back up until 42,330. After that the market has been little bit to the sideways range after breaking the support level at the bottom. The market even went down till the support number 3, which was at 41,914. From over here the market went a little bit to the sideways and to the sideways up until 140. From there again, as what the downtrend continued after the first half in nifty December future, that's what has happened even in the bank nifty December future. From there the market even started to move till 41,746, and after bouncing back from the day's lowest, which was at 41,660. all right, so even let us see Monday, we might see the market to open approximately 41,177 in bank nifty, or at the bottom we can see 41,267. in nifty we can expect the same pivot levels as well. 18,000 would be on the top side, on the bottom side, on the lower side would be 17,700 and below. All right, so thank you so much everyone for staying up until here in this video. I'll see you in tomorrow's weekly currency market report, and we'll get to know more about it on how the USD INR and Euro INR has performed. All right, thank you so much everyone.